Hey food lovers! Today, I'm diving into some yummy news that will make your mouth water. Have you seen today's Google Doodle? Yes, it's all about chilaquiles. This traditional Mexican dish is getting a lot of attention, and I'm here to tell you its story. Chilaquiles, a classic breakfast and lunch dish in Mexican cooking, are having their moment of fame on Google's homepage today. And they're not just any tortilla dish, they have a cool history with roots going back to Nahuatl, the Aztec language, meaning chilies and greens. Interesting, right? So, what makes chilaquiles so special? It's all about transformation. Imagine taking tortillas that aren't so fresh anymore, cutting them into strips, and then bringing them back to life by frying and sautéing them in a spicy sauce. The real magic happens when these crispy strips are topped with creamy fresh cheese, fresh onion, and rich avocados. And let's not forget a fried egg on top for an extra burst of flavor. Today's Google Doodle cleverly used the tortilla strips and colorful ingredients like red onion and egg yolks to form the word Google. It's not just a treat for your tummy but also a feast for your eyes. Now why highlight chilaquiles? It's more than just food. It's a cultural treasure, a morning ritual, and a way to connect with history through our taste buds. The next time you take a bite of this crunchy and creamy goodness, remember that you're enjoying a dish with decades of history, loved by generations. So, whether you're a food lover looking to explore Mexican cuisine or just someone who enjoys a good meal, chilaquiles are a must-try. Thanks to Google, we could start our day appreciating this amazing dish. Now, I'm off to find the best chilaquiles in town. Join me next time for more tasty stories. Bye!